how to create a group chat on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to set up a group conversation with multiple people on your Android device. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap the Compose icon at the top right of the screen to start a new message. From there, in the To field, start typing the names of the people you want to add to the group. Right here, tap on each person to select them. You can add as many people as you want. Next up, once you've selected everyone, tap the Next button to proceed. Moving on, you'll be taken to the group chat screen. Tap on the group name field at the top and type in a name for your group. From here, tap Done to confirm the name, and your group chat will be created. Finally, type your first message in the text field at the bottom and tap Send to kick off the conversation. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.